In this video, let's talk about how to set up auto conversion in Wise. Auto conversion is a feature that lets you automatically convert money between two currencies when a desired exchange rate is reached. You can easily set the rate, the amount, and Wise watches the market for you. To set up an auto conversion, you can head over to the payment section, which is on the bottom right. Inside of this section, you can just scroll down, and just underneath the payment tools, you'll see a section called auto conversions. It says right here, convert money between currencies automatically at your chosen rate. So just tap on this option and then tap on create an auto conversion. This way you can pick which currency you want to convert from and to. You can specify how much money from your balance is the from and in which currency you want to convert to. You can set a desired exchange rate so that you do not need to monitor the exchange rate yourself, and when a desired exchange rate hits, the currency is automatically converted. So you're going to see a similar interface inside of the auto conversion. You can select a currency that you have and want to be converted to and then add in the desired rate. Once the rate hits, your currency will be automatically converted. So that's all there is in setting up on auto conversions inside of Wise. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.